Hello, guys. My name is Yuri, and today we are going to talk about HTML newsletters. HTML newsletters can be very complex. You want to write an HTML newsletter, you have to select an HTML newsletter service. You need to pay them so that you can use their drag and drop HTML newsletter builder. There are some restrictions, there are some restraints. Typically, you're going to want to be writing your HTML newsletter if you have your own custom brand. And if you have, for example, you have a prominent brand and you want to be distinguished by your newsletter, you're typically going to be writing it in HTML from a prototype. You're going to need some kind of a machine to programmatically create these newsletters. I have built just such an app in Hugo that can help me to build out your HTML newsletters. And HTML newsletters are complicated. Not only do you need to build them, but you also want to build them with minimal code, which is quite a process. And you want to make sure that they render on all of the devices that are out there. So you have to talk about HTML newsletter testing as well. And now, once you've got your HTML newsletter, now we're talking about collecting and managing emails. We're talking about verifying emails. We are talking about setting up email servers. We're talking about using SMTP relays, and we're also talking about configuring SPF, DKIM, and DMARC on the server side. So when we are talking about email for HTML newsletters, there's a lot of complexity involved. I have worked through all of that complexity. I have covered a lot of those angles, all of those angles. And in terms of your HTML newsletter, I'm someone that can help you with a little consultation to get you started in the right direction, and also with a build for your HTML newsletter. I care about my customers. If you are a satisfied customer as a freelancer, of course, I'm satisfied. I also care personally about my customers. You can reach me here on the through this freelancer network. I'm looking forward to speaking with you, and we can talk about putting together a timeline and ultimately a price that you are satisfied with to build out your HTML newsletter, start your HTML newsletter management, and launch your campaign to bring new business to your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon.